wanna take some flowers to my neighbor, but I ran out of time. Didn't wanna show up to the party